How can we automate unpredictable tasks, like picking items of various shapes, sizes, and packaging? And how can businesses develop scalable, cost-effective solutions to meet these challenges? Siemens introduces SIMATIC Robot Pick AI, our pre-trained AI-powered vision software enabling robots to reliably and adaptively pick a wide range of items. The capability eliminates the need for user-specific training, allowing item picking across industries such as e-commerce, pharmaceuticals, and grocery. Its modular design integrates seamlessly with Siemens SIMATIC PLCs and the TIA Portal engineering framework. Installed on standard SIMATIC IPCs with a Linux OS, even without dedicated GPUs, SIMATIC Robot Pick AI delivers system performance of over 1,000 picks per hour with a success rate of over 99%. The software supports 3D RGB-D cameras from leading global providers. Start with cost-effective models and scale up to industrial-grade high-definition cameras capable of handling even reflective and transparent items. SIMATIC Robot Pick AI adapts to the suction grippers used and is compatible with any standard robot arm or gantry portal system. It excels in challenging scenarios, such as tightly packed items in full boxes or items at the outer edge as the box empties. The system also automatically adapts to shifting box positions. Commissioning and calibration are user-friendly, taking only minutes to complete. In engineering mode, a web-based user interface guides you step by step, from 3D camera verification to hand, eye, and robot calibration, through to verification of all steps. SIMATIC Robot Pick AI enables robots to reliably pick a wide range of items without the need for prior user training. Its modular design allows tailored robot solutions for every budget, combined with exceptional ease of use. With seamless integration into SIMATIC-based automation, SIMATIC Robot Pick AI stands out in the market. It easily transforms standard robots into AI-enabled autonomous robots, ready to tackle piece-picking challenges in warehouses and beyond.